Your iPhone stuck on Apple logo during updating to iOS 14. How to solve the problem. Connect your iPhone to Mac or PC via USB and open Anifix. Find System Repair and choose 50 plus iPhone problems. Click Standard Repair. Before fixing, download or add an appropriate firmware. Wait for downloading firmware, and your iPhone will enter DFU mode.
A few moments later.
Click Fix Now. Please waiting for repairing the system.
A few moments later.
And then, wait for restarting your iPhone. Enter your passcode and done.